Hey y'all, hope everyone is doing well. So today I just wanted to show you how I scrap dryer plugs. And what I got here is a reflective shield from a light that I scrapped. Today it is 65 degrees outside. It's at 170 degrees. This has been in there for about an hour and 20 minutes. So let's get that brass out of there. Oh right, this thing is toasty warm. Wow, it's just kind of splitting apart. But boy, I tell you what, wow, the whole thing is just coming apart. Get those last couple strands of copper. Let's get that weighed up real quick and see what it's worth. Okay, let's weigh that brass. We have 1 ounce of brass, and that's about 13 cents. Now let's do the copper. And that is 0.2 of an ounce of copper, and that is about 4 cents. So that's 17 cents for all of that, which you saw that took about 30 seconds. So let's say that you can do 2 of these a minute. And if you're hustling, you can do, I don't know, that's probably $15, $20 an hour. But anyways, I just wanted to share that with y'all. I thank you for watching this quick little video. I pray God will bless every single one of you. And yeah, again, just thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. All right, y'all. I'll see you in the next video.